Hey guys, it's Vera. And I'm here with a tutorial on Cinema 4D, how to create the bouncy effects. So here's what we're gonna be doing today. This cool, right? I know. So let's get started. First off, I got a studio kit from the web. You could just browse online and check for any studio kits you like and download a Cinema 4D. And so let's just hide that for now. So firstly, you want to go to MoGraph, Mode Text, change your text to whatever you want. Let's say bounce, yeah, and you want to change the alignment from left to middle, and also change the font. Yeah, I'm going to be using that for now. And you would like to increase the depth because it's kind of small and not too cool. But this is good. This is good. This is alright. So now let's get into making it bounce. So you click on Motex, go to MoGraph, click Effector and Plane. You go to Plane. You would like to go to Parameters, uncheck Position, go to Fall Off and change the position to box. Wonderful. Then you would like to make the box a little bit in the middle, like you like to make the text in the middle. Sorry. Then try to increase it. So you see the reason why we increase it. And now you will go to parameters, check scale, uniform scale, then change it from 0 to -1, and boom. It's gone. Yeah. And you can also change the rotation to anyhow you like, any number. It's optional actually. Then 15, 22, just pick random numbers and they'll be cool. And so now when I move this plane over here, this is what we have. Bounce. Good. So wonderful. So you would go to 10 frames and click on a keyframe. Yeah, while it's still here. Then you can move over to 35 frames or 40 if you like. Then move the plane way over to this point and click this. So I will play back. This is what we have. Wonderful. But still, it's not yet bouncy. So let's make it bouncy. So you click on Botex, go to MoGraph, Effector, and Delay. Then you go to Fall Off. You could also change this to box if you like. Then sorry. Then you try to make it the same, almost the same with the plain box. Then you go to Effector, change the mode from blend to spring, and now you can give it bump up the strength a little bit to 80. And when you play, here is what we have. Wonderful, right? Good. Then that's good. Haven't done all that. Then we I can now enable my studio. So just I created a texture material. Then you apply the texture material to your move text, and when you render, this is what we are gonna have. Oops, sorry, that's the advanced runs. Let me check off this now. Then you render, and this is what we have. It's cool, right? Now for the render settings, to give it this kind of realistic look and make it look good, what you do, you go to your render settings, ambient occlusion, you check ambient occlusion, check global illumination, and change the, there's always going to be a geometry, change the anti-aliasing to best, then create, then you render. So that's it, guys. There you go, you have your bounce effects. So thank you so much, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and leave a comment below if you need it. All right, take care, have a wonderful day.